So welcome back guys, a very happy Janmashtami in advance. So let's get started with yet another market analysis video. So if you have been following my market analysis videos for the past few weeks, we have had an amazing week, consecutively for 3 or 4 times. So behind me you can see that there is the chart of HDFC Life. I gave you 2 weeks earlier, I guess, and that performed really well. It did not go down in a difficult market, but it managed to go up really well. And also same with the other insurance companies, and also the pharmas were resilient. The mid caps and lot of the large caps were falling heavily, but pharma and the insurance, they were stable. So let's go with the market analysis for the next week ahead. So we'll start with Nifty. Nifty has given an all-time high closing. It's looking pretty bullish as of now, but I'm not expecting a very aggressive buying over here. The reason being, it has a lot of components, but some components such as Bank Nifty and Reliance, they are looking quite bullish as of now. But yeah, Nifty, given the closing, it can touch 16,900 very easily. That only time will say whether it goes or not. But above today's, Friday's high, you can just buy it. And I think the market may open gap up. The market may open somewhere over here, say 16,800 or something, 800 nearby, because the international markets are showing like that. So the market can open up. If we get a dip till this level 16,700, you can go for a buying. Okay, with a small stop loss. You can ride the trend. It will be to the upside only as of now. That is the analysis. Okay, not planning for a aggressive selling as of now. So we see Bank Nifty. I am finding some aggressive buying positions getting built up. So Bank Nifty can move up because some of the private banks are looking very bullish. So if they support above Friday's high, you can go for an aggressive buying. Okay, you can keep Friday's low as the stop loss, and you can take 1:2 targets or this one, whatever you feel like. Okay, so aggressive buying in Bank Nifty. It's slight buying in Nifty, not very aggressive, but slight buying and aggressive buying in Bank Nifty. But if the market falls below 35,000 in Bank Nifty, you have to be cautious. Exit your long positions. And same for Nifty, the range is quite wide over here. You can take Friday's low as well. If it is crossed to the downside immediately, you can exit your longs. That is it for the index analysis. Let's go to some stocks. I'm giving you Titan for a short term because it is a very low risk as of now. So you can buy Titan above Friday's high. You can put Friday's low as stop loss, and you can ride till 1:2, and that will give you a very decent trade. The risk will be around 1.8% and reward will be around 3.6% as far as I remember. And the next one is HCL Tech. This I am giving an intraday, okay, only for Monday. So it needs to open flat and cross the Friday's high, or either cross the Friday's low and close a 5-minute candle below or above, below the low or above the high. Your buying and selling respectively is initiated as an intraday. You can take 1:2 target, and that will be an easy trade for you. So this is the market analysis for the coming week. Hope you enjoyed it. You have been seeing my analysis. We go right consecutively for a few weeks. You must share this channel. If you have not taken watched the trades closely, you must watch the trades from now on. So you will be learning. Share it among your friends. They will be learning, and let's grow this family together. So thank you. And again, once disclaimer: this is only for educational purposes, not buy or sell recommendation. So thank you. Have a happy Janmashtami. Thanks a lot. Bye.